Good afternoon, welcome to Mr. Hanep Hobby. Yan, so unboxing po tayo ng AW BX7110. Yan, syempre, palike and share na rin po yung ating FB page na Mr. Hanep Hobby and yung ating YouTube channel na Mr. Hanep TV. Yan, so ito po yung ating unit. Yan, so gandang unit. Then magazine capacity 27 rounds. Yan, so yan, may logo po yan sa base pad. Yan. Semi-auto function, half-up adjustable, 330 to 350 fps gamit ang 0.20 gram na BBs. So yung kanyang frame, lightweight polymer frame. Yung slide niya metal, AW custom, yung nandito sa aking grade po yan, sa outer barrel, threaded outer barrel, pwedeng lagyan ng silencer. Then accessories rails for flashlight or laser. Then mounting for red dot. Yan po yung kanyang front and rear sight. Yan, so ganda yung kanyang trigger guard. So may compensator, the insertion sa front slide and rear slide. Yan, so gandang unit ito. Powered by green gas. So ito po yung unit natin, AW BX7110. Yan, thank you.